In today's lesson, we're learning easy chord progressions in C major with beautiful patterns for 2021. First, we'll look at how each chord is formed. We'll begin with the chord progression C, G, A minor, F, and back to C major, or also referred to as 1, 5, 6, 4, and 1. The two beautiful patterns we'll be looking at today are the split chord and the broken chord. Want to take a deeper dive into today's lesson? Check the link below for interactive lessons. This includes all the music to download so you can practice with me. If you're ready, let's begin and look at these easy piano chord progressions in C major with beautiful patterns for 2021. Included in this basic 4-chord progression are these chords: C major, C, E, and G, G major, G, E, and D, A minor, A, C, and E, and F major, F, A, and C. Now, if you're ready to make these chords sound very beautiful, we're going to add some patterns. Now, there are thousands of different patterns to choose from, but just to get you started, we're going to add the split chord, and it looks something like this. So when you have your root chord, you're simply going to split the chord like this. And you can do this with all of your chords. Just split your chords just like this. Want to start learning piano right now? Click the link below to get started with your first free lessons. What are you waiting for? Let's look at our second beautiful pattern, the broken chord. So we're just breaking up the chord. For the best music lessons on YouTube, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. I have new lessons for you every Sunday and Wednesday. We all know that YouTube is an amazing resource for all things music, but here is the bigger question. What do you do when this video ends? Do you just simply know that you've watched a video? I'm here to help. If anyone you know loves to play an instrument and express themselves through music, check out some of our amazing goodies. Need a simple daily music journal, notebook, assignment, or composition book? We've got you covered. I am so excited to share all things musical with you, and I can't wait to help you start designing your best daily music practice plan. Be sure to check out these 2 videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a lesson. And I will see you at your next lesson. And don't forget, start making music happen.